If you want to unlock hidden features in Google Chrome, improve testing options, or enable experimental tools, this tutorial will show you exactly how to use Chrome flags safely and quickly. Before we begin, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the very top, type chrome://flags, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Chrome Flags page, which is where Google keeps its experimental browser features. These flags can sometimes improve performance, add new functions, or unlock options that are not available in the regular browser settings. Once the Chrome Flags page opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. This is very useful because there can be a lot of different flags listed here, and searching is the fastest way to find the one you need. So go ahead and type the name of the flag you want to enable into the search box. If you do not know the exact name, you can also search for keywords related to the feature you are looking for. After you find the flag, look to the right side of it. You'll see a drop-down menu, and by default, it usually says Default. Click that drop-down menu and change the setting from Default to Enabled. This tells Chrome that you want to turn on that experimental feature. In some cases, a flag may also have other options, but for this tutorial, the main thing you need to remember is to switch it from Default to Enabled. Once you've changed the flag, Chrome will usually mark the change as pending. To apply it, you need to restart the browser. At the bottom or near the flag, you should see a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will close and reopen automatically with the new setting applied. This step is important because most Chrome flags do not take effect until the browser is restarted. After Chrome relaunches, the flag you enabled should now be active. You can continue browsing as normal, and the new feature or behavior should now be available in your browser. If the flag does not seem to work right away, double-check that you selected the correct flag and that it was set to enabled before relaunching. A quick tip here: because Chrome flags are experimental, not every flag is stable. Some may improve your experience, while others may cause bugs or unexpected behavior. If that happens, you can always go back to Chrome:/flags, search for the same flag again, and change it back to default. Then relaunch Chrome once more to undo the change. And that's it. You now know how to enable Google Chrome flags in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.